Sushmita ma'am. Sushmita ma'am.
I think it'll be brilliant because it's a lovely story. It's cute. It's simple. It's identifiable. Yes, it has all the hopes of doing well.
It's about like Angelina Jolie almost.
Oh, she is. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. She's a brilliant actor. She's solid. I think she's going to be.
Please tomorrow, please.
Eid Mubarak to everybody. This is Arshad Warsi, and I would say everybody should celebrate Eid, and everybody should maaro jhappiyans to everybody.
Smoking has been banned from the public places.
Sorry?
Smoking has been banned from public
It's a terrible idea. I think we are
It's fantastic.
we are becoming a more and more regressive country. People are urinating and doing everything on the railway tracks, and we are worried about smoking. For God's sake, grow up!